Good morning. Good day. So today, nakamasok kasi very dusty. Tingnan mo yun, oh. Etong mga dust to. So ngayon, we're working on adding a recess lights over there. And this one will be the ceiling fan here. So yan. So ako yung dito nakatayo. Kasi I'm gonna pull out the, what do you call this one, sweetheart? The fish stick. Yeah. Sa glow rods. So, ayan. So, i-connect niya yung, ito. Ito. Wiring. Tapos, hihilain ko dito. Ayan. Ito. Yan. Hihilain ko yung stick na yan. So, tapos may gumagawa din ng aming window. So, yan. Trabaho dito sa bahay. Para mabenta na namin next month.
Ready to food.
Okay, I'm ready to pull. Oh, hold on. Okay.
Okay, so here she is trying to separate the pieces of the glow rod. There's a little too much there before she hits the wall.
Hold on.
There, now she's got it separated. She should be almost to where the wire is.
Okay, cool.
Cool.
Okay.
There you go, wire, yay! Okay, that's how it works.
Yes, what do you need?
Screwdriver.
Screwdriver. Magamit dito. So, ako yung assistant. Assistant. Grab it.
This is a grommet. This goes where the metal is so that you don't cut the wires so they go through the box. You just snap into place. Then you run your wire through the center.
Oh, para hindi magasgas yung wire. So, you need that. What's the name of that?
A grommet.
Grommet.
Grommet. Then your wire just shoves through there. Like that. And then it keeps the wire safe. It doesn't hit the metal.
Okay.
Then we connect that little wire.
So,
On these lights, you have a
Some
selection
people
of
will-
brightness.
yeah.
And you can change the brightness by moving the switch.
okay, so you will, but this one is already set to a bright.
This one to the brightness.
Tapos, ito yung maganda because this is the newest design of the pen light. They call it pen light, but we call it recess light, right?
Recessed lighting.
Recess lighting.
Very light. It only weighs 2 ounces, so you can pretty much put it anywhere in the ceiling, and it's not. You don't need a whole fan support and everything for this.
Yeah. So, ito munang ilaw ginamit namin kasi tinanggal namin yung ilaw dito. Kasi ito, ceiling fan yung gagawin namin dito. But I will touch up that one with paint. You want me to touch up the paint here?
No, I want you to curl that wire because if this falls, it's going to pull that back through, and we're going to have to start all over again.
Okay, sir. So, dito na yung isa. Oops, why is it? It's not.
That's a snap. Oh, that's so much.
Oh my gosh! So guys, tapos na yung mga nagtatrabaho sa aming sliding door at saka yung windows. Tsaka Tsaka ang ganda talaga ng sliding door. As in, very soft. Ayan. Yung niya, hindi masyadong matigas. Oo. Kaysa yung aluminum before. So, yung bahay namin, papalitan din namin ng bagong sliding door. So, eto na yung mga screen. Hindi pa muna pinalagay kasi nga, magpipaint pa kami sa labas. So, para iwas ma-paint yung So, wala muna. So, lalak muna ni Habi kasi kakain muna kami. Katatapos lang nila, so it's past 1 o'clock, right? So, ang ganda guys kasi mayroong screen. So, you can just do like that. You can open the window, the sliding door, and then, this is what I like in the house we had. To have this sliding one. So, but what I like in our, not a sliding, the French door that has the built-in blinds. So, but so far, I like their gawa. So, this is the window. Okay naman pagkagawa, as in, naman sila, malinis. But meron lang kami itatouch up kasi may nakita kaming hindi masyadong yung sa caulking, may mga gaps pa konti. But so far, they did a good job. Tsaka mura lang. Oh, kailangan pala talaga namin itong yun. Tingnan nyo guys This one, we still need a 1 by 5. Okay. We will buy the 1 by 5 for the thing there.
So this is about 2 inches in. 1.5. I know what I want to put there. We'll see if it's available.
Okay.
I know what I want. Okay, let's go eat something.
Alright, kakain muna kami. Balik lang kami dito sa bahay in a short while.
Did you lock it?
So, gutom na kami. Kailangan talaga naming umalis muna sila kasi marami kaming gamit dito, mga tools na hindi namin pwedeng iiwan ang bahay na they are still working while kakain. So, ngayon pa kami kakain guys. Gutom na. So, sweetheart is installing the ceiling fan. The pigtails. That's the pigtail, guys. Because why it has a pigtail?
From aluminum to copper.
So, yung bahay is, the original house wiring is aluminum. And since now we're using a copper, kasi wala nang aluminum wire. So, sweetheart has to use a pigtail. And he's gonna install the ceiling fan here. And then, ni-remove ko muna kasi alam nyo parang ito, patch. Kasi, pinaint ko na siya ng final touch ng ceiling white flat. Ayan. While ako naman, magpipaint. Oops. Okay, may tao sa labas. Yun, may tao sa labas nagtitrim ng mga oranges tree. So, ito, nilagyan ko na ng blue tape kasi natapos na kasi kaninang umaga yung window. So, ito, ipipaint ko siya ng itong kulay gray. So, yan yung gagawin ko ngayon. So guys, ito na nga at natapos ko nang i-paint yung trim area ng window. So ayan. So i-remove ko na naman yung blue tape. Tapos ito, ipapatch pa to ng drywall guy. Ayan. So ayan na. Tatanggalin ko na. Madali lang. Kailangan mo talaga siya lagyan ng tape para hindi talaga siya maganda yung pagka ng linya ng paint. Ayan.
I think they would send it with the fan. So you'd think it would come with the fan.
Yeah. So, yan. Fan siya, guys, na may light. Which is good. And then, Ang problema, kailangan ng AAA battery. And hindi namin makita yung AAA battery. Kung saan nalagay.